Welcome to your ultimate guide. This tutorial is designed to help you understand, install, and use Kali NetHunter on your phone. Follow these steps in order to transform your device into a portable testing lab. 1. Information about the system. What is Kali NetHunter? Kali NetHunter is an open-source, mobile penetration testing platform for Android devices. It allows you to run a full Kali Linux overlay on your phone, giving you access to powerful security tools typically reserved for desktop computers. It is the bridge between your mobile device and professional cybersecurity capabilities. 2. Installing the system. To install NetHunter on your phone, you generally follow these core steps. Prerequisites: ensure your Android device has sufficient storage and battery. The setup: you will typically use a terminal emulator like Termux to download the NetHunter installer file. Execution: by running specific installation commands in the terminal, the system downloads the Kali Linux image and sets up the environment on your device without needing to replace your current Android operating system. 3. Basics and tools. Once installed, you gain access to a suite of powerful tools. Here is what you will learn to use. The terminal. The command line is your basic commands to navigate folders. Control center. You will learn and manage files. Network scanning. Tools that help you identify devices connected to a network. Security testing. Specialized software designed to test system vulnerabilities and check for security flaws. Packet analysis. Tools that allow you to see data traffic in real time to understand how networks communicate. Important information before you begin. Keep these crucial points in mind. Legal use. These tools are powerful. Only use them on your own networks or networks where you have explicit permission. Device safety. While the installation is safe, always backup your important data before making system changes. Continuous learning. Cybersecurity is vast. This tutorial gives you the foundation, but practice is key to mastering these tools.